Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today on my channel, I'm going to be doing a review of the NYX Slay the Season Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and then at the end, at the end of the day when I go to take it off, I'm going to tell you guys how long lasting it really is. So first, we'll go on with primer by e.l.f. Put a little dot there, dot there. F450, I said 54. Packaging, top, that's the color. Then I'll mix it with a little bit of the NYX Total Control. So, mix it with a little bit of this. And a little bit of this. So, I don't know if you guys notice or not, but you need a wet beauty blender. I never do makeup without a wet beauty blender. Like, how do you do makeup without a wet beauty blender? Both me. I'm gonna just use this water bottle because I don't got a spray bottle. It say EB04, so in case you guys LA Girl. I know everybody uses LA Girl for concealer, but I'm using it too. Oh, you can even see translucent powder. It's like setting powder, translucent powder, setting powder, 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 powder. Powder, 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 powder. Stuff. Keep getting close to it. I was trying to ignore you or something. What to say? What's going on? I'm almost done with this, so I'm gonna use some of the powder contour too. But before you do this, you gotta like you gotta let me stop. But Hunty. Yes, Hunty. Yes, mama. I take the side of it. I use this for everything. I need to get another one, but take the side, like right here. Rub it in. I'm probably gonna look back at this like what I was doing. Like y'all know when like y'all do something and then like 3 to 5 years later, y'all be like, what was I doing? Do you do it like so differently? I feel like that's gonna be me. Anyway, take this to dust off the powder. I know I didn't do my nose yet. Give me time. Give me time. It's just time for the powder. It happened again, but I just finished deleting like pictures and videos, so hopefully it shouldn't happen again. That's very rude. Like, wow. My own phone don't even support me. I forgot what I was supposed to say. Oh yeah, the powder for the concealer. I have like another powder brush, if I'm not mistaken. I can't find it. What am I doing? So and then you're gonna need this. NYX No Filter Sans the finishing powder. I put this on to put some color back into my face. Y'all, my neck is a little dark, but it matches, okay? Right? I didn't what you call it? So I put on all that makeup and stuff on my neck. Now I have to take it all off. Like I'm about to go to the club or something. No, perfectly, perfectly. Okay, period. So put it in there like that, all over, everywhere. Put some color back into your face, cause sometimes makeup can make you look a little light. Color, 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 color. This is so satisfying. Alright, but before my camera give me problems again, talking about satisfying, I'm trying to pull out a video for you guys. I'm trying to give y'all content. My nose is itching. Oh, I ain't dug up my nose. Just got specific directions on how to use it. No. Limited edition holiday packaging though. Let's see how this works. Usually I see a difference right away. I don't know because I never used this before. But we gonna see today. Hey. That was smart to start. Before I cut off, let me hurry up and do this real quick. I want to make sure it's really on there and that it really, really works. So. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your version. You see me get nervous, I get nervous. Work hard in the time. Almost put that one in. Ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. You guys, this is the finished look. I'm gonna be back at the end of the day and show you guys how long the long-lasting matte finish.
Slay the season 2 to season 2B. Slay by next. See how long it lasts.
This looks nice. That wig head in the back, not mine. Or y'all probably looking. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. I had it on for like 9-10 hours. I did it like, I think it was one something close to 2. And it's like 10 something. So like 9 hours and some minutes. I really suggest you guys get it. This is what it looks like. Yeah. So the packaging is the only thing that's different. It says limited edition holiday packaging of our best selling setting spray. So it's just the packaging that's different. But matte finish long lasting setting spray by NYX. It works. It does good for the whole entire day. So you could go out if you want to do it at night. You could do it at night. That means it can last up to 9 hours. I'm not gonna wear it longer than 9-10 hours because I just personally wouldn't do that. So that's how it looks up close. So yeah, that's it. So again, thank you for watching my video. Remember, again, I'm gonna say it one more time. Like, comment, subscribe, so I give you guys new content or whatever, more hair videos, more makeup videos, tips and tricks you want to know, whatever that you could do. That's it. Bye for now. See you in the next video.